Hey, Motorman here. I got something a little bit different. By the way, if you just came onto this channel today by some accident, you don't know who I am. I'm a motor officer instructor. Been that for over 20 years. I'm the guy who makes the biggest selling motorcycle video in the world, Ride Like a Pro, and I also wrote the book by the same name. On YouTube, we've got like 850 videos, mostly all of them with some type of exercises, and we show you the techniques and how to use them. Today, we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to show you something that my wife and I, Donna, and myself, what we do to keep our skills sharp. Normally this exercise you're going to see is called the slow cone weave. Well, we're going to do some variations of it. In fact, it's going to look, hopefully on camera, it's going to really look pretty, and we're going to call it motorcycle dancing. You've never seen motorcycle dancing, but you're going to see it today. just saw was the use of the police motor officer techniques to the extreme. Those techniques are the proper use of your head and eyes. Wherever you turn your head and eyes, that's where the motorcycle will go. Proper use of the friction zone. We were in the friction zone the entire time. Had a little bit of pressure on the rear brake. Just 3 techniques. Now when you saw us going towards each other like that, it looked dangerous to you. Well, if you don't know what you're doing, that definitely is dangerous. So don't try this at home, kids, if you haven't first mastered the slow cone weave. And the reason you need to master that slow cone weave, because it gets your bike dipping from side to side. Somebody pulls out in front of you, if you have to avoid an obstacle, you're going to have to make that dip. If you've never practiced it, believe me, the time when somebody pulls out in front of you, that's not the time to practice that technique. You need to do it ahead of time until you can do it without even thinking about it. Now, I hope you like this. I call it dancing with motorcycles, or motorcycle dancing. It looks pretty when you're doing it right. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you hit that little bell, every time I come out with a new video, we usually do about 2, sometimes 3 a week, hit that little bell and you'll know exactly when we come out with a video. Until next time.